This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Edgar Monge. Move-in ready 2-story townhouse with 1-car garage. This great starter home offers an eat-in kitchen, great room with wood-burning fireplace, sliding patio door with screen, fully fenced-in backyard, concrete patio and a storage shed. Home recently pressure washed, fresh paint throughout, new carpet upstairs, and new fixtures, ceiling fan/light combos, door hardware, lighting, etc. Your new home is conveniently located to interstate, military installations, shopping, hardware stores, dining, recreation, medical facilities, municipal center and community college. For more information, review the details below.